While we work very hard to make our home tidy and beautiful, we mostly neglect one space, the ceiling. But what can we do without major renovations? There is a genius solution. The Infratop Ceiling System by VOX India. These panels are made using digital thermal printing with a dual extrusion layer. The natural wood-like texture repeats only after 100 meters, which gives it a more natural feel. Plus, it is so versatile that you can use it in indoor and outdoor settings, and its soft design makes it adaptable to even the most unusual curves, bends, and angles. The material is lightweight, easy to install, easy to clean, and it does not need any maintenance. Plus, this material is also kind to the environment as it is 100% recyclable, reusable, and is lead and tint free. Thanks to the patented design with options of both visible and invisible vents, it does not trap moisture or mold and stays odor free. And did I mention it comes with a 10-year product warranty? Go check out their catalog to explore the stunning color options. You can choose from 11 different colors.